guys, it's Gabe here, and today we're gonna be trying to fix the Miata's door lock, which is not really working. It's very hard to turn, the key's breaking like I showed in the last video, so we're gonna try to fix that up today, and let's get out there. So as I try to put and open the door here, it's just really hard to go, and the key's kind of bending. It's actually breaking the key. That's how hard it is. So now I opened it. I'm trying to close it and it just doesn't go. It's gonna break the key if I force it. So we're gonna try open it up, open everything here, and we try to move it up or do something. So let's see. Step is easy. You just need to take this one bolt here and you take off the string piece. Then there's 3 bolts holding the armrest piece here. Now the tricky part is behind the lever. There's a little clip here. You need to take it off. You see there the little metal part there. The clip out, and this handle just slides right out. And we have this little other piece here. Now I think we can take this out. Oh, there's some clips on the sides. Let's see if I can. So there are some clips here on the door. You can see in there some white clips. If you have the little clipping tool, it's gonna be easy. But oh, this one is actually broken off. Okay, that's cool. So we're gonna take off the clips and I think we'll be good. Just take off this part, which has 4 clips, 1 in each corner, and we just go into place and oh, there it is. Now this part should just get out now. There we go. Alright, I'll put this inside the car. Now we have this. So the problem I'm having here, the locking part here is very hard to push. So I'm gonna try to open this up and clean it up. Maybe there's a bunch of dirt in there, and I'm gonna try to grease it up again. And I'll be able to turn this easily without having to do much force, because right now there's a lot of resistance. So let's take all this nasty goo out. Yeah. Now with the plastic out of the way, we can take a look inside there. You can see what is going on. You can see all the mechanism. If I move this here, I can see what moves in there. So I know what I have to lube. So I got this one-step cleaning and lubricant thing. We're gonna try spraying that in there, and then we also got some WD-40. So let's shake this up. And let's try to spray everything in there. And up there. Can't really see where it's going, but it's fine. Also in here. I'm gonna move it a little bit. Make sure it gets all in there. And can I feel a difference already, man? Okay. Now with the WD-40, pick this up as well. I can't really get in there. Just lubing everything I can. Also up here. Alright, so I think we're good here. Let's test it. Alright, let's see. Moment up through. Yes, sir. Locks and unlocks like a dream. Still got a bit of a bumpy ride, let's say. So it's open. I'll put it in. The key doesn't help, but it's way better now. I can actually lock the car and unlock it. Just having a bit of trouble getting the key in, but well, this is why. So when I get new keys, it's gonna go away. Yeah, that's it. I had to spray just a little bit outside here, but it works now, so pretty happy with that. Alright, let's close things up in here and we'll be good to go. So now I got everything back together. It's really not that hard. You just pop some clips back in. There's one bolt here, one behind this, one here, and another here. The really trickiest part of this is this handle here. Then you need to put the clip inside. You put a little clip in there. Take this plastic piece, put like this, and it just clicks in there. Actually, this is backwards. This in there, and you just click this in there. Now it won't come off it. And well, that's basically it. Easy fix. Take this off. Sprayed some WD-40 in this part here, and then on the outside here I also had to spray a bunch of WD-40 in there inside. And now the car locks easily, and it's gonna stop from damaging the keys even more. Now both the keys are damaged. Next thing is getting new keys. And if you think this video was useful, share with friends so they can fix their Miatas as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and bye.